Strange all marriages. Marriage in the name of social recognition for children to live together. Marriage is celebrated all over the world as a sacred right. The most basic organization through marriage is the formation of the family. However, in today's world, there are some wedding rituals that will undoubtedly frighten you, and some rituals will bring laughter. Dear viewers, today I am going to present you some strange and thrilling wedding pictures. You are bound to be surprised to know about them. If you have visited the channel for the first time, before starting the video, you must subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon next to it. Let's find out about some of the strangest rules of marriage around the world. Rape and marriage, a culture that is extremely dirty. According to this custom, if a man is able to abduct and rape a woman, he is considered a worthless man for the girl. Eventually, the girl is forced to marry the man. Although there has been a lot of movement and protest against this rape, it is still prevalent in different parts of the world. In place of these ugly customs, question: where does human civilization really stand today? In Greece, the groom is groomed by the bride's household before the wedding, then feed the groom the mother of the corner, honey and nuts. He was then allowed to enter the house. During the wedding in Japan, the bride and groom sipped 3 cups of drink 3 times. Then their parents sipped the cups in the same way. The Japanese believe that this strengthens the bond between the family. Married without clothes. Elevator and Bhim Henricourt, who lives in Australia, got married in front of 250 guests without clothes. As it was morning, this strange wedding was also made live on FM channel. Cut the bride's tongue. This historical practice is going on in many parts of Asia, where teenage girls are laid out on a table, dressed in beautiful clothes. Then the tip of his tongue was cut off, because they believe that if girls cut their tongues, they will be happy after marriage. Throwing dirt on the bride and groom. This Scottish tradition is that a few days before the wedding, the bride and groom have their family members and friends pour dirt on them, and this is done in a surprise groom. And among this dirt they have stale, rotten food, flour, meal, rotten eggs, etc. because they think that if they can deal with this situation, they will be able to deal with any bad situation in their married life. Germany broken pot. In Germany, guests donate various glassware to the newlyweds, but they do not use them. but the bride and groom's family and friends shoot and break the glassware together the night after the wedding. The new son-in-law then sweeps the broken glass and enters the new house. The people of Germany believe that the sound of breaking the pot puts an end to the native energy. Another fun German custom at weddings is that after the wedding, the newlyweds cut a piece of wood together in front of everyone's show. With this, they prove the two will share the work equally and the understanding between them is much better. Money dance marriage. In general, it first started in 1990 in Poland. In this ritual, the bride dances during the wedding and the groom's representatives pay her. Sometimes the groom dances and the bride's representatives pay her. That money was saved and spent on the newlyweds' honeymoon. At the end of the French-Polynesian wedding, the guests line up and line down on top of the newlyweds so that their fortunes may be long. If you look at the father of the Maasai tribe in Kenya, spitting in the face of your daughter, you will understand that it is an old custom to say goodbye to their daughter-in-law by marrying her. At the end of the marriage, the girls usually spit on the father's face and chased for the blessing of the father, lest anyone notice. Married to video games. Everyone knows that video games are everyone's favorite in Japan. So do you have to get married to a video game? This is what a young man named Anigasakis did according to the Japanese. He got married to a video game and he completed this task by organizing a hug event. Dear viewers, let us know in the comments which of these stylish you find strange so far today. See you again in a new video. Saying goodbye today. Bye bye.